Okay, so Sunday was my birthday, but I'm just seeing this thing from Snapchat. Ah, I decided to use it. I think it's not bad. February 4th is the birthday, but birthday continues. So for those that are still sending money, please ask for Aza. For those that want to send money, please ask for Aza. And for those that they want to send wine and cake and cupcake and spoon cake and fork cake, please all the type of cake. Send everything. We will appreciate it. Thank you very much. And for those that drop messages, send birthday wishes, birthday prayers. Thank you very much. Why am I turning my head like this? Ah, God, I don't know. Sorry, it might be. No. Okay, so I want to say thank you to everyone who has who out of their busy schedule create time to wish me happy birthday for the reactions on pictures, greetings, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and all of that. And today I'm saying thank you to my subscribers because it's also my birthday period. So I'm using this opportunity to say to every of my subscribers, I'm saying thank you to you guys. Many happy returns. All of you will do many happy returns. Sorry, it's many happy returns. We will do many happy returns for all of you by the grace of God. This year 2024, you will make it big. For those that want to relocate or no mashi, like doors will open. There will be ways. God will open doors. He will connect you with the right people. He will connect you with the right opportunity. He will bring the right channel your way. He would bless you. He will. Okay, so I want to also use this opportunity to say I'm sorry, guys, for not showing up on my YouTube so far. I know it's been I've been on transit for one reason or the other. I've been my schedule have been tight in the couple of weeks. But I'm going to give you the update of what has happened in between because yeah, I know you are interested and I'm going to share the gist with you. I have a gist pending for you guys. Very important gist. Okay, so sorry about the break, the short holiday that I have just to due to one good reason that I'm gonna share with everyone. It's actually a good news, and the truth is I have plenty good news pending, plenty, and I'm gonna share them as soon as possible because I don't want anybody to carry those costs. No. Good news for everyone. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Plenty doors are opening. Good news from UK. Good news from different part of the world. It's going to come in shortly. Then in this video I'm just going to show you short video of just how the birthday went. It was a very busy day, very engaging day, but it's all good. Let me just bring that up here. Just celebrate with me. This might not be the kind of video you want to watch right now. You want to watch relocation video, you want to watch opportunities video, but guys, celebrate me today. Celebrate me today, for my birthday. Celebrate me. Let's celebrate grace. God has, graced me, has helped me to add another year to my year. Guys, let me celebrate grace for me now. Celebrate God for me. So, thank you guys for the wishes, for the prayers.
Tell you every day, lift your hands, say, I have Jesus in my life. I'm living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop. Tell you every day, lift your hands, say, I have Jesus in my life. I'm living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day. Every day, Jesus in my life. I'm living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day. I can tell you every day. Lift your hands, say, I have Jesus in my life. I'm living for His glory. I'm on fire every day, and nothing can stop me. Doesn't matter what I face. I am getting bigger every day. Every day.
Guys, thank you for watching that short piece. And if you're yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys, it doesn't bite. Just click the subscription button and you're gonna enjoy us on this channel. It doesn't bite. Just click it and we're gonna get you you're gonna be getting every update of every video that I release on this channel. For the love of the birthday, for the love of the birthday boy, subscribe. Just click the subscription button. Subscribe for your boy. Huh? Come on, let's do this. I'm gonna see you soon again on the YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for every time. I'm gonna see you again. Why is this video? Why am I doing like? Is it because I'm a year older today? I mean, is it because I'm a year older? That's why I'm having all this anxiety and maybe there's something else behind this thing. Okay, so let's watch out anyways. I'll see you guys later.